This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Power cycle the modem and router now to clear transient faults. Once done, connect one device directly by Ethernet so you isolate Wi-Fi problems versus upstream service. Make sure to note modem lights, power, WAN, and radio indicators, because they tell you where the failure lies. If the gateway shows no WAN, pause and contact your ISP, otherwise proceed to router checks. Explaining why. Reboot clears memory leaks and reestablishes DHCP, often restore. Next, you'll dive into the router interface to find configuration faults and update software. Log in using the gateway IP, then verify the WAN IP and DHCP lease details so devices can get addresses. Switch DNS to automatic or set known resolvers if needed. Once configured, update router firmware to fix bugs, change Wi-Fi channels to reduce interference, and split SSIDs for 2, 4, and 5 GHz so devices connect optimally. These steps restore routing and wireless performance by removing stale settings and interference. Finally, you confirm success and apply final fixes. Run a wired speed test, then compare results to your service plan so you know if throughput is correct. If slow or unstable and settings look right, perform a factory reset on the router or modem as a last resort because it clears deep misconfigurations. Be prepared to reconfigure Wi-Fi and port settings. If problems persist, document error patterns, lights, and exact failure times. Then escalate to ISP support for line tests or hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.